When filming content out and about for a whole day, one of the biggest worries I face is whether my battery is going to run out or not. And especially since starting to use the Nikon ZR, I have been concerned about that because I am filming in high frame rates and pushing a lot of power through the ZR because I'm filming a lot of stuff in Red RAW. And though the battery life on the Nikon ZR isn't actually that bad, it's still a concern that it might just not be enough, especially if I'm out batch filming for an entire day, which is something that I often do whenever I do get the chance to go out and film for myself. The newer PS099E V-mount battery has pretty much solved that problem because I can pretty much get a full day's worth of power out of this thing and more to spare to maybe power other accessories as well. Especially since I'm usually not running the camera non-stop, I will be starting and stopping. So this is pretty much more than enough to get the bulk of the power that I need for a whole day shoot without then having to worry about changing batteries mid-shoot or, oh no, the battery's about to run out, I gotta do a quick hotspot and, you know, in the middle of the road to kind of stop and change batteries because you don't really have much of a place to put them, especially when you're kind of out touring around and just kind of filming wherever you can. So this solves that problem. This is a 99 watt V-mount battery, which has a 6800 mAh capacity, and that makes it pretty darn powerful. It's got 16.3 volt output and several connections to go with that. So at the top, you have 8 and 12 volt DC outputs, which is fantastic if you're running, say, a DC out dummy battery into your camera, or if you're running maybe an additional light or even an external monitor, you can run that off of the DC connectors at the top. You've also got a D-tap port on the left-hand side, depends on which way you look at it. For me, looking at it from the top, it's on the left-hand side. And then you've also got a USB-C and a USB-A output, with the USB-A outputting about 12 volts and the USB-C outputting about 20 volts of power. So altogether, you can basically run about 5 different peripherals from this thing, and it will deliver power to each and every one of them at the given voltages that I've just stated. Now, rigging this thing out, obviously you can rig it out in a traditional way, whether you want to pop it on to a full-blown camera rig, which I've done once or twice. Well, not full-blown camera rig, but full enough, with all the accessories. But the way that I like running this is actually with something like this. Now, this is a bit of a jerry-rigged version, but this has got some additional bits onto it. But I've got this newer foldable V-mount plate, which is really handy because this means that I don't have to kind of fully rig out my camera just to use the V-mount battery. This combo has made it really, really easy. Now, NEEWER did send out the battery to me. So the V-mount battery was supplied by NEEWER and they did ask me to make this video. However, they said I have full creative control. So all the opinions you see of this battery are of my own. However, I did buy the NEEWER plate myself just because I thought it would be a cool accessory to grab and have as well. So all I have to do is attach it like that, and that's it. I can pop my camera onto the front here, slide in the little release or the extension mechanism to wherever I want it, make sure my monitor screen is flipped out, and that's literally it. All I have to do then is just connect up the camera to the V-mount battery and it does its thing. And I can run the camera the whole day. So this has actually made a massive impact to my workflow, especially while I'm out and about. And I would genuinely recommend anybody out there who is going to be using cameras like the Nikon ZR or likewise, or anything to shoot for long periods of time, to grab one of these, especially if you're concerned about battery life and running out battery. Then it's a very, very handy tool to have. It doesn't overheat, it's got built-in fans, and this little LCD at the front gives you exactly how much power is going out of each of the different ports, and that's really handy to know how much output it's giving and also how much battery is left on it, which means that you can keep track of how much. I think I used it for a good couple of hours the other day and it's still at only 92%. I can't remember how long I used it for, but it's still at 92%. And honestly, the charge pretty much lasts an entire day and it's been really handy to have on me recently. It's got all of the other features as you would. It's got connectors at the bottom if you want to attach it to kind of a V-mount accessory plate or a V-mount PD plate or whatever. Then it's got additional attachments for that at the bottom here as well. So if you guys want to grab one of these for yourself, then I have left an affiliate link down in the description box below. It does get me some commission, but that does also help out the channel. But so if you do use that link, just know that I am going to get a little bit of commission out of that. However, I think this is definitely an absolute steal to get. I wanted to keep this nice, short and sweet, so I'm going to leave it at that, guys. Hit the link if you wanna down below. If you did enjoy the video and you thought it was useful and this was exactly what you were looking for, then make sure you leave a comment to say this was exactly what I was looking for. If you have any other comments whatsoever about anything that I have said about this V-mount battery or anything in general, then again, leave a comment down below. And if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in the next one. This is Kai24 signing out.